Hey dreamers, for the first time I'm going to using this square MDF cutout for my Lipan art. Here I am doing my rough sketch on it. After so many of errors, the drawing is finally settled in the center of the square MDF. My first ever goddess Lipan art. I'm doing it for the first time and this will be my trial version. So as usual I am using here Fevigryl molded clay for my Lipan art. So here our Lipan work is completed. Now I am adding a coat of gesso to it. I decided to keep this painting in a white color, so here I am using a Fevigryl white color to it to give it a whitish shade to this Lipan art. To make this canvas into a waterproof, here I am using varnish to it. Here I am using red color instead of kumkum for additional details to the Vinayaka. Here I am highlighting bells with gold color. Gold color for additional details and shading part of the Vinayaka, and Jharoka I painted a gold color. Up to here my painting part was completed, so let's give it a blinky touch to it. Here I am using different shapes of mirrors. Material details and mirror details, I provided links in my description. You all can also purchase from there. Downside I added jump rings to add hangings for this. To make hangings, here I am using mirror and some limestones and some crystal beads. వీడియో తీస్తుంటే గ్లాస్ పగిలింది, అది వీగుతుంటే బ్లడ్ చేతికి.